So let's take a closer look at the front bumper. First, we'll start with lighting. If you notice, we've got 2-inch quads, 2 locations, and we've got 6-inch single row LED bars, and that's gonna light up the trail for you. Next, let's talk about the bull bar. It's 1 3/4 120 wall steel tube, and it's welded permanently to the bumper. This is gonna help you push that tall brush out of the way and keep it out of the grill. The pull points, and they're gonna help with all your recovery solutions, including winching and towing. Next thing you'll notice is this high clearance area in the front here. And what we did is we made it so the tire could get a hold of things without bumping into rocks. And that's gonna help you get down the trail without getting stuck on the body cladding. If you notice, the winch plate is bolted onto the bumper. That means it's an additional accessory where you can have a really clean look without a winch, or you can add a 12K winch of your favorite brand. Last but not least, all the 4WP factory bumpers, including the 2021 Bronco, are fashioned so that the radar cruise and the parking sensors all work seamlessly with the vehicle. Now let's head under the car. You notice the skid plate in the front to protect all those important parts to get the longevity out of your vehicle. Well, that about covers the 4WP Bronco upgrades. We can't wait to see all the cool modifications you make to your Bronco. Check back soon for more Bronco upgrades right here at 4WP, your Bronco aftermarket headquarters.